Hello?
They know.
Who knows?
The cats. They know that I've broken up with Jason and that I'm alone, and they've decided it's time for me to become a crazy cat lady.
What are you talking about?
There's a cat on my doorstep.
Well, that's better than a bun in your oven.
It's just sitting there, staring at me, like it knew this moment was coming. It's still there. Why is it still there?
Mom, it's a stray. It's passing through. It's hanging out. Relax. Move away from the window and go back to bed.
It's not fair. We just broke up. It just happened. I'm still young. It's still possible that I'm gonna have a successful relationship. You don't know. My eggs are still viable.
Are you yelling at me or the cat?
The cat. I think it just flipped me off with his tail. I'm Babette.
Babette's not single.
Whose side are you on? Circle the wagons.
Sorry.
Everyone knows. They can see it in my face. She's single. Again. She couldn't make it work. Again. She picked the wrong guy. Again. Hey, do not lick yourself in front of me.
Mom, I need you to get a grip. You're tired, you're stressed out, and you're not seeing things clearly.
Oh, my God!
What?
There are two of them. They're not even easing me into this, those bastards.
I give up.
Oh, I guess I need to start collecting newspapers and magazines, find a blue bathrobe, lose my front teeth.
Well, obviously you've got a busy day ahead of you, so I'm gonna let you go.
Yarn balls. I need to find some yarn balls.
Bye.
Hey, I am a young, desirable woman.